Action. Go.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another how-to video. Today we're gonna be how to drive. Remember, the most important thing about your car is if you ain't got no juice, you ain't going nowhere. Now, this ain't like any other car. This car needs some diesel. Up the gas cans. Do not.
I got a spoon, that's it. Like literally.
First you get the gas.
I can tell you put some diesel in that.
The second rule of the car is it needs to be clean. You need to have love and care for your car. Or your car's not going to love and care for you. I love that baby. We go way back. And after you wash the car and you put gas in it, it's another one of the most important parts. You gotta leave it out to dry. Maybe on a lower range.
Killer, but don't push me, little bitch. My shooter strap up with a 30, little bitch. We'll shoot this bitch up, Steph Curry, little bitch. Toting the Glock with the 40, little bitch. Don't hide behind your mans, man, turn you into sand. Tryna do the running, man, blow you like a band. Talking all that shit, boy, you better be about it. Cause we ready and we steady, but you just cause we can. This Nelly Willie, they ain't know I'm a savage. This Nelly Willie, any nigga can't have it. Fuck a nigga, bitch, she's on my dick, now that's magic. Hit it from the back, bow, call that static. I'ma do it again and again and again. Fuck that nigga, bitch, then pass it to my friend. Repeat the cycle not gonna end. Repeat the cycle like we cycling. Savage Nelly, Savage Nelly,
27 hearts.
Savage Nelly, Savage Nelly.